Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
Salamat sa'yo, aking ina. Sa tuwing ako'y nalulumbay, kapiling ka. Salamat sa'yo, aking ina. Dalangin ko sa may kapal na pag-ingatan ka. Salamat sa'yo, ina. mapansin na mahal kita. Sana ay sa pamamaraan ko iyong madama sa bawat sandali ng buhay ko. Pag-asa at pagmamahal sa akin nalay mo. Salamat sa'yo